Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Tuesday, July 24th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Great day in the room today, guys. Lots of opportunities. I'm going to run through everything here from left to right. A couple of them didn't really, we had to get out of one because I didn't realize the news was coming up. I'm in a different time zone right now, so an hour off, so it kind of screwed me up a little bit there, but it didn't cost us anything, but maybe commissions. But I'm going to run through everything here. We had a long in crude. We were in as low as 68 to 25 on a power play. I saw that after a candle or so that we were going to get a potential blockage here to the upside right here. So I told everybody, get into a free trade. It did go up to 37. So 4 or 5 ticks for some people, 6 ticks. And I just said get into a free trade, So, if they took 25, 26, and they took, 5, 6 ticks, whatever, get into a free trade, take most contracts off. So because we took more than half off here, assuming you had more than 2 contracts, there was only one runner, so 20 ticks, max. Probably if somebody had one left, probably got out. For anybody who had multiple runners, I did call a target up at 06. It never really got there yet. It kind of just stalled and went flat here. So a lot of people got out around in here, and then that was what they got. So it did make from 25, up to 90 area, which is one of my original target I called right in here. It was called our playground. So that was a cool trade there. And then on the ES, again, this is in no particular time order. We got short on the ES, and as soon as we got in the trade, I told everybody, I didn't realize the news was coming up. So we got in the trade, and I just said, you know what? It's 2, 3 ticks we had profit. I said, just take the profit. 2, 3 ticks, go minus 2, 3 ticks, and we have to see what happens. Sure enough, at the news it went up. So again, unless somebody had a 1 lot and got out, it could have made 2, 3 ticks. But other than that, it would have been a break even. Nasdaq, we had some really cool trades. We had an exhaustion trade on the Nasdaq around 83, and that one went all the way down around 73, 74. That was about 30, 35 plus ticks. I wanted to try a long because I was actually looking for this move here. We just got it a little bit too before the news. I wanted to be in, and I just wanted to try it because I figured that they would make a move up sooner than they did. I actually didn't realize the news, but like I was saying on this ES trade, but nonetheless, we got long on an S play after being short for 30, 35 ticks. We got long around 74.50. Trade made up to 20 ticks, 15, 20 ticks, and again, no follow through after that. News was coming up. They took it down a little bit more, came back up, came back down. When they came down over here, we got short again, and that was a really cool. It was a really cool short. We were short as high as 73, 72, 73, and the thing just went straight down. I had my targets here. When the market got down to here, a lot of people were out of the trade at that point. It made about 50 plus ticks. Told everybody, if you got the whole trade here and you want to reverse, okay, or you're up, on all the other trades, you did really well. You can go ahead and try to get long here. However, we don't normally do this in the middle of a candle. So we tried to get long here. We added, it bounced around, and I wasn't really expecting this big of a candle here. So once that happened, I'm like, just get your butt out. So some people probably lost some on that trade who took it, but again, not everybody took it because I said the only way I would take that in the middle of the candle is if you got the bulk of this, and not everybody was in for 60 ticks. So that was an aggressive entry just because the candle hadn't closed. And essentially we were short and reversing there. So made good money down there, made good money there. And I said we would try it again lower if it didn't work out there. And we, sure enough, we did. We got long down lower. That was around 39.40 area, and you'll see the trade went up. I actually called 47.48. It actually went up to 50. But again, another 30 plus ticks there, that's what we did. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to check out our free trial. And we will be back tomorrow. See you later, guys.